Hello and welcome to the section 8 CompTIA Pentest plus exam practice questions. Now in this section we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We will learn about various Pentest plus practice questions and then I'll also explain you the answers as well. Pentest plus exam practice questions part 1. Now in this video we are going to take a look at exam practice questions and I'll also explain you the answers. So let's start. First question. Which tool is used to perform port scanning in Kali Linux? The question is quite simple. They are asking that is there any tool which is available for port scanning in Kali Linux, and I have given you 4 options here: Nmap, ItterCap, ReconNG and Wireshark. Right? So if I talk about Nmap is actually port scanner. If I talk about ItterCap is a sniffing tool or spoofing tool. ReconNG is a information gathering tool, and Wireshark is also a sniffing tool. So I think the A answer is correct, which is Nmap. So you can see right answer is A. Explanation: Nmap is used for port scanning. So if you want to gather information about the target machine port numbers, you can simply use Nmap inside Kali Linux, and there are various Kali Linux Nmap commands we have already discussed in this course. Next. What is the port number of Telnet and SMTP? So we need to provide the port numbers here. So the 4 options are here. Telnet port number is 22 and SMTP port number is 21. That's incorrect because 22 port number is SSH and 21 port number is FTP. So this is incorrect. Telnet port number is 21 and SMTP port number is 22. That is also incorrect because 21 is FTP and 22 is SSH. Third one is Telnet port number is 23 and SMTP port number is 25. That's correct answer. So the port number of Telnet is 23 and the 25 number port number is SMTP. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is the full form of SMTP. And D is also incorrect. So right answer is C. Explanation: port number of Telnet is 23 and for SMTP it is 25. Which class of hacker works in only legal way? Yeah. So there are basically 3 categories in hacking. One is white hat hacker, then black hat hacker, and then grey hat hacker. Mainly these 3 parts are there in hackers category. So which class of hacker works in only legal way? So which kind of hacker only work in legal way? He is not working in illegal ways, right? So white hat, black hat, grey hat and suicide hackers are options here. White hat hacker is a kind of hacker who performs basically kind of pen testing, who is working in security companies. So white hat hacker works in legal way. Black hat hacker doesn't work in legal way. Black hat always works in illegal way. Grey hat hacker works in both kind of ways, like he can also work in legal way as well as in illegal ways. Suicide hacker is also working in illegal way. So there is only one option correct, which is white hat. A option is correct. Explanation: white hat works in legal way only. So he is the only hacker who works in legal way. Which command is used to encode a payload in Metasploit? So we need to provide a command that can encode a payload in Metasploit in latest Kali Linux, right? So the latest Kali Linux is Kali Linux 2018.4. So in this Kali Linux, which command we can use for encoding a payload? Is it MSF payload? Is it MSF venom? Is it MSF console or MSF encode? So for your information, MSF payload and MSF encode are no longer available in Kali Linux, right? So MSF encode and MSF payload has been replaced by MSF venom, right? And MSF console is used to start the Metasploit. So the right answer is B, MSF venom. So MSF venom command is used to encode the payload in latest Kali Linux. Yeah, in previous Kali Linux version, it was MSF encode, but now it is no longer available. Which tool can be used to gather information using Kali Linux? So we need to find out the Kali Linux tool which we can use to gather information, or you can say footprinting or information gathering step. Acunetics. So I don't think Acunetics can gather information. Acunetics is a web vulnerability scanner. Nessus is a network vulnerability scanner. Wireshark is a sniffer. And ReconNG, yes, ReconNG is the right answer because ReconNG is an information gathering tool inside Kali Linux. Right answer is D. ReconNG is an information gathering tool in Kali. Which Nmap command refers ping scanning? So we have already learned about Nmap and the commands inside it. So which command we can refer for ping scan? So nmap-sn, nmap-pn, nmap-F, nmap-s. So the first one, A -sn. -sn is actually used for ping scan. B option, -pn. -pn is used when you don't want to perform ping scan. Pn means no ping. -F. -F is used to perform quick scan or fast scan. And -S is used to perform stealth scan. So the right answer is A, -sn for performing ping scan. You can use -sn option inside Nmap.